Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Poco F3 GT device. So during this time of demonstration, I'll try to use the 20 applications. Yes, 20 apps only. There is no games at all. Let's see which phone will be able to open these 20 applications faster and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. So that is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. As you can see, these are exact models and both phones are the 8GB variants. Yes, so both are 8GB and 128GB variant. Let's see first which phone will be able to reboot faster. So this is the kind of speed test I did not do it before. I did include a lot of games and a lot of games plus applications, but not applications alone. So this is my first time comparing this both phones only applications. So let's see friends which phone can actually be first in terms of opening the applications and which phone can actually keep in the background RAM management. And one quick information, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the software update 2 days back. In this phone, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive, yes. And MIUI, I think this phone didn't receive any kind of update. The Poco F3 GT till now, I did not get any kind of update after the initial unboxing and everything. Right now, the Poco F3 GT did restart faster, not bad. So first let's check the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi connection is the most important thing right now. Let's see which phone will be able to, what Wi-Fi connection I'm trying to connect, you will be able to get to know. As you can see friends, right now 2.4 GHz, and let me try to connect to, 2.4 GHz should be kind of okay. So let's see which phone will be able to have what kind of signal. I'm trying to clear everything from the background. So all the background apps are completely clean. So I'm not using any kind of high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment, nothing. But I did turn on one option which is called the RAM boost. If you try to go to the additional settings, and this is the option as you can see. So this one I did turn on. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning, not the high performance mode at all. No, I did not turn on. Now let me try to open this application. So these are the 20 applications which are in the list right now. Let me keep the list ready. Yes, these are 20 applications. So both phones are loaded with the same type of applications as you can see friends. So now let's get started without wasting any time, starting with the first application which is a Google Chrome. Sorry for that. So it's an accidental touch. Let me try to clear the Paytm as well. Yes, completely clean. So now there is no background applications running in both phones. Let me try to start the test first from the Google Chrome application. Let's see which phone will be able to open faster. 1, 2, 3. Poco F3 did open faster slightly, not bad. And these both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection only friends. So let's start the speed test. Let's see which phone can actually get most of my Wi-Fi connection at this moment. So 2.4 GHz, both are connected to the same gigahertz only. Right now the Poco F3 GT is getting most of the Wi-Fi, and as you can see the 2.4 GHz, same transmit link speed. Same transmit link speed. Both are having same kind of transmit link speed. I'm trying to show you the proofs as well. So I'm not judging based upon this scores. I just want to keep this score in the background, the speed test. That will be helpful for the RAM management test to see. So whether this will be in the memory or not. So in case if you want me to do any other side-by-side comparison between both phones, let me know in the comment section. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. Now let me try to go back to the home screen. Next is the Play Store. In the Play Store, I'm trying to keep another application open in the background. Flipkart, not bad, both are kind of same. In the Flipkart, let's keep our favorite mobiles in the background. So next is the YouTube. Poco F3 GT, as you can see, Poco F3 GT did open faster the YouTube. Ghana, let's see which phone can actually open faster. Not bad, Poco F3 GT, little bit faster in terms of opening. And Zoom, slightly, yes. YouTube Music slightly first in the Poco F3 GT, little bit in terms of opening the YouTube Music. And next, calculator, yep, no problem. Camera, no issues in the camera as well, no problem. And Prime Videos, perfect, both are kind of same in the Prime Videos. And Spotify, not bad. WhatsApp, I did keep the app lock for this WhatsApp. That is the reason it was asking the permissions and the messages. Yes. Next, Myntra, no problem. And even the Myntra did open at the same time, no issues. And next is Instagram. Instagram also app lock. Let me try to close it. I'll try to close and I'll try to start this Instagram once again. Let's see. Yes. And next is Facebook application. Not bad, slightly both are kind of same. Amazon, yes, fantastic. Let me try to keep the mobiles in the background. Let's go to the last application, which is the clock. As you can see friends, in the clock also I'm trying to keep some kind of time in the background. That's it. So now we did open 20 applications in both phones. So this is a practical test which we are trying to do right now. Let's see which phone has got what type of UI management to store this many applications in the background. So this should not be that much kind of big task, I would say, loading this many applications in the background. So now let's start with the one by one. So let's start with the first application. Let's go from the back side. Let's see how many applications will be in the RAM management. Facebook, not bad. Instagram, that's good. Myntra also, wonderful. So one row finished, and second row we are in. WhatsApp, no problem, no issues. Yes, even we are able to finish the second row as well. That's good. Both are till now both remained same in terms of the speeds. So right now when I'm trying to open, and calculator also, yes. Wow, that's good. So even third row also it's about to finish. That's Ghana, yes. As you can see, friends, 3 rows finished completely, and both phones were able to open at same time, so without any kind of much issues. That's kind of good. And let's see the YouTube. Not bad. Even the YouTube is also same. And Flipkart, yes. Play Store, as you can see, friends, Play Store also remains same place, exactly same scene. And the speed test, not bad at all. As you can see, friends, even the speed test also in the OnePlus Nord 2 did remain in the background. Final application, which is a Google Chrome application. Let's try from the multitasking. So let's try from here. Let's see which one can actually open faster. Let's see, 1 2 3. Wow, that's fantastic, friends. Both phones were able to perform really good in terms of the RAM management. So both phones did store 20 applications in the background. So for everyday day-to-day task, you should not have any kind of issues between both phones at all. For the normal user, for the medium user, you will not feel any kind of difference in terms of doing the multitasking between all of the applications. As you can see, I'm trying to do the random test as well. Meanwhile, you'll be able to understand what is going on between the random test. The Myntra application did reload, right? I think, I'm not sure, but I'm just trying to do the random, just to show you in the random test which phone will be the winner. Ghana, yes, no problem. They're opening pretty fast. So as I said, it's kind of really great to see this kind of performance in both phones, which is fantastic, friends, in terms of the RAM management and the speed test. So all the final conclusion is that the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly did not open few applications faster than the Poco F3, little bit. That's not a huge difference, I would say, friends. Overall, like, not a big win, but still the RAM management is pretty good in the OnePlus Nord 2. It was unable to perform that great while gaming. That's the one thing. While using more games in the background, it was unable to perform in that RAM management. But in this applications test, it did perform really great. 20 applications. So maybe I need to increase the dose. Maybe I need to increase to 30 applications for the next video. So then we'll be able to get to know what is the actual potential between both phones. So which phone has got what kind of potential. So I'll try to come up with that kind of content very soon. So stay tuned for this video, friends, and don't forget to check the playlist which I created for both phones. Just now I did cross the 100 videos on the OnePlus Nord 2 and close to 150 on the Poco F3 GT as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.